Hey guys, Chef Bari here. Today we're making Duxelles for beef Wellington. The ingredients are assorted wild mushrooms, garlic, rosemary, and nutmeg, and Madeira. Sauté your mushrooms in butter and olive oil. Sauté until all the moisture is gone. Now to add the Madeira and reduce until it's evaporated. Now you can see all the moisture is pretty much gone now. Add your mushrooms to the food processor and blend. Place chopped mushrooms back into the frying pan and brown until done. This is just the beginning in making beef Wellington. Please follow me, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me as I make beef Wellington next.